Welcome to English Quizler. Today we have 40 mixed grammar quizzes to test your English. Pause the video if you need more time. Your final score will reveal your English level. Before we start, please subscribe now. Good luck.
Can you choose the correct noun? The correct answer is expansion. Expansion is the noun that completes the sentence. Pick the correct pronoun. Neither of the answers is correct. Choose the adjective. The correct choice is strategic. Strategic describes a planned decision. Correct the verb tense. The answer is will have edited. Choose the adverb. The correct word is efficiently. Efficiently describes how he completed the task. Nice start. Keep your scorecard handy. You're doing great. Can you guess the correct answer? The right form is produces. This printer produces copies in under a minute. What is the correct answer? The correct phrase is a testing. They are testing a new feature right now. Choose the correct form. The correct answer is oversaw. She oversaw the campaign last spring. Choose the best tense. The correct form is had started. They had started the meeting before I arrived. Can you pick the right option? The correct option is will review. I will review your proposal tomorrow. Halfway check. How many are correct so far? Count and keep going. Choose the right preposition. The correct preposition is at. He reads at dawn. Choose the right preposition. The right answer is atop. Put the plant atop the windowsill. Choose the correct direction word. The correct word is toward. Row the boat toward the island. Pick the correct phrasal verb. The correct choice is phase out. The company will phase out outdated models. Choose the right option. The correct answer is opt out. They chose to opt out of the deal. Great pace. Keep your streak alive. Can you pick the right meaning? To bend over backwards means to try very hard, make a big effort to help. Choose the correct meaning. A stitch in time saves 9 means fix small problems early, act quickly to avoid bigger trouble. Choose the correct quantifier. The right answer is numerous. There are numerous opportunities. Guess the correct quantifier. The correct option is much. She showed much resilience. Pick the right determiner. The right choice is every. Every candidate must provide references. Halfway done, and let's crush the next half. Choose the correct article. The correct answer, an MBA offer. Choose the correct article. The right answer is she summit the mountain. Choose the correct verb. The correct choice is 10 miles is a long walk. Choose the closest meaning. Gregarious means sociable, someone who enjoys company. Pick the closest meaning. Obfuscate means to confuse, make something unclear or obscure. Amazing progress. Keep going. Choose the correct pronoun. The correct pronoun is whose, the artist whose painting links the person to their work. Guess the correct form. The correct option is to revamp. They plan to revamp the website next month. Choose the correct modal. The right answer is should. You should consult a specialist for that issue. Guess the correct answer. The correct answer is freezes. If you chill wine too long, it freezes. Convert the question to reported form. The correct form is had arrived. She asked when I had arrived. Final third, stay focused. Only 10 more to finish strong. Choose the correct passive form. The correct phrase is will be opened. The new branch will be opened next year. Choose the correct causative. The correct answer is made. She made her assistant type the letter. Choose the right noun. The correct collocation is agreement. They reached a quick agreement. Pick the correct comparative form. The right choice is more accurate. This method is more accurate than the previous one. Choose the correct form. The correct phrase is was jogging. I was jogging when the alarm rang. Choose the correct future perfect form. The correct answer is will have released. By May they will have released the software update. Can you guess the correct noun? The correct choice is flour. Flour is an uncountable ingredient measured by amount. Guess the correct tag. The correct tag is didn't she? She phoned earlier, didn't she? Choose the correct auxiliary. The correct answer is had. Rarely had I felt so calm. Choose the correct sentence. The correct sentence is cheese is made from milk. Made from shows the starting material used in production.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.